Here is, finally got a heater for the garage, so I'm going to show you what it's like. I'm going to get it fired up, to kind of give you my opinion on it. I've seen lots of different heaters just like this all over YouTube and all over Google and this and that, and never seen a video of this specific one, so I might as well make one. Just got a new GoPro too, so we're kind of testing the video on the GoPro as well. So here we go. There, see how that works? You go like this, you fire the fan, the fan's on, you give it some gas, push this button 3 times, get some fuel in there. You know, there's an igniter on the other side here. Hold it and press the igniter. Hold it for 3 seconds, and then you're on. My voice over this. It's not a very loud heater. It works fantastic. Nice and warm. I paid $100 for it. Overall, it's a fantastic heater. Take the propane tank off your grill, and we're toasty. It's already toasty, and we're sitting at 35 degrees outside. The door's still open. Yeah. How about it?